Good morning to all. Welcome to Triple E Department Lecture Videos YouTube channel. So in this video, we'll see about voltage source and current sources. What are the different types of voltage sources? What are different types of current sources we have, right? So and also we will discuss about independent voltage source and independent current source, dependent voltage sources and dependent current sources, right? Okay, here voltage source and current source. Voltage and current sources are classified as uh, independent source and dependent sources. The independent voltage source and independent current source representations are shown in the figure. Suppose a single battery source represent like this, multi cells so represent like this. A single cell is like this. A multi cell, two or three cells, if we connect together, that the voltage representation symbol looks like this. And the DC voltage source is circle symbol, and it will be inside circle symbol plus and minus will be represent. If it is like this, means that is called a DC voltage source, and inside the circle arrow mark is there, that is the current source. AC current source are represent like sine wave. So inside the circle sine wave will be, that is the uh, AC voltage source, right? Next one, independent voltage source and independent current source. So here independent voltage source, and independent voltage source, the terminal voltage is independent of the current. The current is not dependent here. Independent voltage source is not depends on the current value. Next one, independent current source. An independent current source, the current supplies by source independent of the voltage. So voltage will not dependent. Current independent current source is not depends on independent voltage. The arrow mark in its symbol indicates the direction of the current flow. So here current, if you see the current source, arrow mark represents upward, that means current is flowing from upward direction, right? Next one, coming to the dependent source. These are the very important for electric circuit analysis subject. Dependent sources. Dependent voltage source are further classified as voltage dependent or current dependent voltage sources. Similarly, dependent current sources are classified as voltage dependent or current dependent sources. Totally these sources are four types. These sources are four types. One is voltage dependent voltage source. This one, first one, voltage dependent voltage source. See, this voltage source is depends again one more voltage source, that is called voltage dependent voltage source. Current dependent voltage source. So voltage source is depends on current. Current dependent voltage source, that is second one. And the third one is voltage dependent current source. So here voltage dependent current, the current source is depends on voltage Vx here. Next one, current dependent current source, the current source is depends on current. So these are the sources. Here we have dependent sources. So these sources we have to understand clearly, so then only we can solve the problems. Next one, so here what is meant by VCVS? Voltage dependent voltage or voltage controlled voltage source. Voltage dependent voltage source, also known as voltage controlled voltage source. That's what here we have mentioned. Um, so here we have mentioned the VCVS. So in VCVS, source voltage is dependent on voltage at some other location in the system. So source voltage is depends on some other location in some voltage, some other location in the system. The source voltage is depends on the voltage in some other location in the system. It is called voltage dependent voltage source. The current dependent current source. So here current controlled voltage source. Current controlled other name is current controlled current voltage source. The source voltage is depends on current in some other location in the circuit. The source voltage depends on current source in some other location in the system. So coming to the next one, voltage dependent current source, that is voltage controlled current source. The current source is depends on some other location in the voltage. The current source is depends on some other location in the voltage. This is a symbol C. Okay, na? The current source is depends on some other location in the voltage. Next one, current dependent current source. Current dependent current source is also called as current controlled current source. So in which the source current is depends on the current at some other location in the circuit, some other location in the circuit or some other location in the system. So this is about voltage and current sources. Coming to the source transformation. So this source transformation is very important. So here we are here we are converting voltage source into current source, again current source into voltage source, vice versa. How we are converting these sources we will see here. So in every practical voltage source have internal resistance, that is voltage source always connected in series resistance shown in this figure, voltage source circuit. Next one, practical current source also having internal resistance. The resistance is connected parallel to the current source, right? So when analysis of networks which view reducing the complexity of the network, sometimes we will use this concept. Sometimes we will use source transformation concept. So wherever possibilities are there, source voltage source we are converting into current source, and current source we are converting into voltage sources, right? So how we are converting? Consider a practical voltage and current source as shown in the figure. So this is a voltage source, and figure 2, second one shows the current source. So voltage source we are converting in current source, and current source is parallel to the source resistance. So here you can see the same resistance is comes parallel to the current source, and Vt by Vs is current is flows in the source resistor, and Is and It will come here. Just Is is will come, and Vt by Rs, that is resistors parallel to the current source and terminal voltage. So this is how we are converting voltage source into current source. Coming to the next, current source, how we are converting into voltage source. So this one. So voltage source will write, and this resistor will comes in series with this resistor, same resistance, and will write write terminal voltage. So like this we are converting voltage source into current source and current source into voltage source. So how we are calculating the Vt? Vt is here, and how we are calculating Is? So Vt is equal to Vs minus I into Rs. So this is I is equal to It, and It is equal to Vs minus Vt by Rs. So you see this is how we are calculating the terminal current in voltage source. Next, coming to the current source. So here we have to calculate the is. Is is equal to it plus vt by rs, or it is equal to is minus vt by rs. So this is the current or terminal current. So here the same circuit here we can also convert. This same circuit only is here. Okay. Simple circuit. The equivalent circuit, equivalence of voltage and current source, vice versa this circuit, right? So this is about source transformation, and next video we will see about source shifting. Okay, thank you everyone.